and I went and initiated, and the front tires were bald, and it just went straight.
So what did we do last night?
Didn't get arrested by the cops.
Yeah. What did we do anything in this?
Maybe.
Hey. Cool. What are we doing today?
Going to get some Honda motors.
Why are we getting Honda motors?
I don't really know. Maybe we'll build a Civic and give it away.
Hello, Honda motors. The only thing that's wrong with it is this piston right here. You take one out of these pistons, you're good to go. So, I'm not trying to, it's just
Over here one time, I dipped off in that apartment complex and disappeared.
So where are we off to now, Jeff?
Get some food.
What kind of food?
It's a little sandwich shop called Room Service.
What?
Two hours later.
We're in Northern Tool, and Carl says I need to get out of my comfort zone and start talking to the camera. So, what's up, guys? Yeah, I'm just gonna walk around and wander aimlessly.
2 very boring minutes later.
Look, a battery charger. This has got a. This is also a maintainer and a desulfator, which means that it will condition the battery. So if it's in bad health, it'll kind of bring it back up. These are pretty useful. If you got an old battery that's dead, it's not taking a good charge. Sometimes this will get it back in good condition.
But no, but like, they should stop you because there's a lot of empty streets. It's because it's a small town. It's like,
It's group or anything, but like your group, I feel like a lot of them are in it because Shay 2 made that private track thing happen, and I was like, hey, I called you and I was like, get all your people. I need them to get enough taste to this to where they were willing to then travel, because they weren't willing to travel 3 hours before.
Yeah.
They got a taste of it and then they're like, okay, I got it.
yeah, did you see that video? Came out of Ireland. One of the guys up there was like,
Keeping maintenance. So that's what we did for a while until he got kicked out for running the chop shop. But
I'm just saying, like, looking at it, I love it. The vision, what it looks
What I
like.
was saying about the transition. When you're transitioning behind the car, you're in the door, okay? And then you gotta back off and they go to transition. If they transition to like 60 degrees and you just throw it
5 minutes later.
around, come to center, and then use the throttle to push yourself back out to his line.
the biggest thing though,
Piston's so happy to see us, they're popping out. The vent
That's the
valve.
one off of that one. That's the one off of that one. So that head's no good. Look, they were using factory Honda coolant.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need you to help me set this stuff down.
What's the other head?
The other one's a B-Series head. The
Oh.
one should be good, but it's non-VTEC, so it's not for cool.
Oh. Well, she's making money. You're just grabbing garbage.
Just cut the motor down.
No, he just assembled it and like.
almost straight up.
So, three radiators for the engine.
Oh, see, where's the engine? W.
W.
Germany.
It's made in, so it's not made in Germany. It's made in Austria.
Oh, so they get the same letter?
Germany, Germany, you cannot build a car in Germany and rebadge it for another manufacturer. If you build it at a BMW plant in Germany, it has to be a BMW.
Factory what?
It is now.
We got 13 minutes left on that car. Really?
Yeah, have a good one.
Sweet nectar of the gods. Is that it for today, Jeff?
Yeah, that's it.